Hi everyone. Um, let's start our today's webinar. And my name is Boli Zhang, and I'm hosting today's webinar. And today we're going to discuss with you the new high voltage all-in-one energy storage system and high efficiency inverter, detailing their uses and features. You can also find these two products on our website. In addition to the product, I will also discuss with you the benefits of hybrid solar systems. Hopefully, you will get a little clearer about it through our communication. And if you got any question or any comments, you could directly leave it to the chat box. Yeah, let's begin. So in today's webinar, including the introduction of ZRGP, the advantages of lithium batteries, and the introduction of new products and hybrid solar system, I hope we can make progress together. Feel free to ask any question, and I'll explain them to you after the webinar. Or if I see it directly, I would just answer it. This is much more I would like to share with you about ZRGP to help you understand what ZRGP does. ZRGP is an energy storage expert, majoring in home energy storage system, CNI solutions, which is commercial and industrial, and LFP deep cycle batteries. Our company has sales offices and product centers in China, Southeast Asia, Europe, United States, South Africa, and Australia, which can provide solutions and services for local customers quickly and effectively. And our new factory officially started production in 2022. Introduction of intelligent systems such as MBS, MES, Management Execution System, OA, ERP, to realize factory intelligence, allowing global businesses and clients to grasp real-time manufacturing progress and quality status promptly and improve customer satisfaction. In the new factory, we also have built our cell lab and hardware lab, software lab, system simulation lab, environment lab, and reliability lab to ensure the design verification basis in the R&D process. More than 100 R&D staffs take full advantage of our experimental conditions to develop safe, reliable, and trustworthy energy storage products for our customers. Move to the next. Standardization, automation, and intelligence are synonymous with our factory. The factory is located in Huizhou, and maximum surface area is exceeding 10,000 square meters, representing 172,000 square feet approximately. And despite the scale of the factory, we introduced a whole set of manufacturing execution system in order to realize warehouse information visualization and data transparency. In other words, the MES system is an intelligent supervisor who is responsible for recording and processing statistics. More importantly, MES could largely assist employees to manage stocks such as material first in, first out, and preventing any unnecessary errors. For example, if the order is placed from you and the MES could, once your PI is placed and the money goes in our account, you could get a order ID that you could check whether your whether your product is being manufacturing or being testing. So it's a direct system you could check in real time. Moreover, the new factory is equipped with two semi-automatic and two fully automatic production lines. In terms of employees, wages pay could be lessened and more capital could be invested in equipment updating. In terms of output, diversified production lines can provide stable and sufficient output production, which largely boosts the output capability. It is estimated that the output value of the factory per annual would be exceeding 3 gigawatt hours. Welcome to visit our factory at any time. For detailed information, contact our the info email. As we know, there are three main types of battery named lithium-ion, lead acid, and salt water. Lithium-ion batteries are generally the most suitable for homeowners as they are lightweight, compact, and typically have a longer shelf life than other battery technologies. They also have a higher depth of discharge, meaning you can tap into more of your battery's capacity. ZRGP's energy storage systems modules have used lithium iron phosphate to ensure the safest, most efficient, and cleanest product to power your life. Lithium iron phosphate battery has some advantages such as safety, excellent performance, small and lightweight, and environmentally friendly. First, LFP are incombustible, which is an important feature in the event of mishandling during charging or discharging. LFP cells can be designed bigger and wider thanks to their thermal stability. Thus, overall volumetric energy density increases significantly. Next, LFP cycle life can reach 5,000 to 8,000 times of cycle life or more. It is almost 100% longer than NMC cells, and their weight is 1/3 of lead acid. And lastly, LFP are non-toxic, non-contaminating, and contain no rare earth metals. That's why we manufacture LFP system, and I think the most battery is LFP right now. Many homeowners always misunderstand that solar system is that during a power outage or grid failure, the solar system will continue to provide power to the load. In fact, due to the nature of grid-tied solar system and how they are designed, all power output to the grid must cease during an outage. So your system needs to be equipped with ESS to avoid power outage. Power Basemate is our most classic product, featuring a modular LV low voltage design, LFP, and 8,000 times of cycle, and scalability to meet the needs of business and home of all sizes. Up to 15 stacks can be connected in parallel, providing a maximum of 614 kilowatt hours usable capacity. In order to provide you with a safe, reliable, and stable energy storage system, each module of the Power Basemate system has built-in BMS, and the battery system is designed as a 3-layer energy management system. So Your battery system will get strong protection, high reliability, and more cycle life. And the BMS is the main function has three parts for detecting voltage, current, and temperature. In order to reduce the steps for users to install energy storage system and to make the installation more convenient and flexible, ZRGP has introduced an integrated energy storage system, which is Power-Based Pro Max. ZRGP Power-Based Pro Max is an off-grid and grid-tied type of ESS, which integrated battery system, inverter system, and control module. It is widely used in household energy storage, off-grid energy storage, and commercial solution and other fields. ZRGP storage technology teams up with advanced monitoring and control app to ensure that your home enjoys continuous power and at a stable level, and even when the grid is down. And the system is equipped with an efficient and accurate battery management and EMS, which perfectly can be perfectly pre-charged and pre-discharged, overcharged, over-discharged, and so forth. If you are interested in this product, this product could be directly checked at our official website. I could just type in the official website right now. Yes. Let's move on to the next. After listening to so much product and I have explained, and next I would like to introduce ZRGP self-developed inverter, which can perfectly adapt to our battery system. Believe me, no other inverter is more suitable for our products than it, because this one is called PowerTrans 6K. This is a hybrid inverter that is suitable for residential and commercial use, maximizing the self-consumption rate of solar energy and increasing your energy independence. During the day, the PV system generates electricity which will be provided to the load initially. Then the excess energy will charge the battery via PowerTrans 6K. Finally, the stored energy can be released when the load requires it. The battery can also be charged by diesel generator to ensure uninterrupted power supply in the event of grid blackout. And also the inverter equipped with Wi-Fi, GPRS, and Ethernet port for battery communication. Let's take a look at the PowerTrans compatible battery system. Power-based X1 battery system can provide ultra-thin wall hanging and flexible solution to limited installation space and restricted load-bearing customers. The power-based Maze is our most classic battery product, featuring a modular low-voltage design, and the scale of the battery could meet the needs of businesses and home of all sizes. While power-based FC is a battery module, you can stack up to 32 modules to achieve a capacity range of 1.12 I'm sorry, 5.12 kilowatt hours, which is one module, to 163 kilowatt hours. All of these are lithium iron phosphate battery system, which can be used to provide safe and stable energy for various equipment, various load, and they can be widely used in household, residential, or industrial fields. These are like the most basic products of our brand, our factory. The first one is a wall hanging power base. The second one, it includes a master controller, and I believe the exterior is more modern for your home decor. And the third one, it is a built-in UPS battery that we are used in the previous UPS product, and we realize that more and more people are accepting. Yes. When is this inverter available for sample? Right now we are developing it, and I believe the inverter will be available uh, after, I think, near June. Yeah, after June or close to June. Once the inverter is complete, we will release it to our official website. So you could just follow up to the website. Yes. Do you have any question? Yeah. Let me move to the next. And also, despite of our developing inverter, we also can be compatible to various inverter, like like I listed on the screen. Yes, I'll just skip that. And choosing ZRGP energy storage solution for your solar system will allow you to efficiently utilize your solar system without having to suffer from power outage. Some customers always inquire about what battery systems are suitable for off-grid systems and are interested in solar power, gravitate toward the idea of being completely removed from the grid. However, remaining connected to the grid and investing in a battery backup system will actually provide more benefits to you. When you are connected to the grid, you can count on it. You can count on it, and for backup power in the event that your solar battery runs out of power. You can also sell extra electricity back to the grid and make the benefit from it. A hybrid system is when your solar panels remain connected to the grid power line and have a backup battery system to store excess power. The sun's energy absorbed by the solar panels go through an inverter to create usable electricity. From there, electricity either goes to your home, to your battery, or to the grid. It is important to choose the right energy storage system for your hybrid solar system, and ZRGP storage systems are modular with capacities up to 51.2 kilowatt hours to meet the needs of your application. When you choose ZRGP, we will provide you with the best pre-sales and after-sales support. next page. Yeah, no worries. Ability, ability charge, no worries. Let me continue. Going completely off-grid can sound like a unique idea, but it can be challenging in certain circumstances. When you go completely off-grid, you won't have a huge power backup. All you are left with is limited backup, or in a few circumstances, no backup, which isn't a very appreciable idea. On the other hand, when you install a hybrid solar system, one thing that you can be sure is the fact that you can be in charge of your power generation. Unlike an off-grid solar system, you can use and store energy, which makes things easier. Hybrid solar panels installation is all about a single time investment. Hence, it is a way by which you can utilize solar energy to power up your house, and on the other hand, store a huge part of the energy in case you need a power backup in emergencies. Using a hybrid solar system can bring flexibility and scalability to the entire power generation related to your home. And you can generate more electricity at a lower cost with minimal effort. And I think this is the end of today's. I'm done sharing about the product, and if you have any question, you may ask now, or maybe you could think of some tomorrow. You can directly send it to our email, and we will have a deeper discuss. And for the new products and the inverter, if you are interested, I strongly suggest you to contact us, because we won't say too much in the webinar. Yes. Yeah, I think I'm clear enough. Yes. And shall we see you next month? Bye bye, everyone. I will end this webinar.